abayihandikise rizoba harimo Bright Muhumuza ow'ekibiina kya NUP atwasa Rita Bwahika owayihandikisa nkotine ekibina bwanyuma y'okusinga omu karuura katirwa omu kwezi kwa mushanju mwine mpaka owa NRM Kajubi Benon otine ekibina Mwesigwa Robert Rukari na otine ekibina hamwe n'abandi.
He's an independent candidate and his symbol is a car. Congratulations, sir.
Imbahabura ngo betware bikara kiryaha kanatanda mbwenu simbo yanje ni motoka ibunkoreye ni inkosa simbo ya motoka ahabwo kuba eminyeto obucweka kinana mu Uganda n'eminyeto ntimanisa n'abana bakiri bato bine emyoga yabo iruhanga yabahire ibakubasa kozese namwe ncyo kucyara kureta imotoka z'empaka omuri mbarira kwenda ngo abantu hari icyo bajumbuka kweta backward and forward linkages.
Emisoro nimirungi konke emisoro erengire yakira business barukora nari business turukora ko kureba ubwa hata abantu bari baboroga hakurgamo uwayora tashizimire naraketegereza umusoro gwa kuza kucyaginga no rwa kuza kushaba imwe abingute ya high street twabatarieze
ine muntu wena uri kwija kugaruka kwibwaho itakariye nkebye byo kuguza za centuries rimbo ntuza kutera karura bwa sente omwebembeza kwa to muhanda agende ntitekwa kutera karuru omuntu ari kubasa kutwebembera katuyo mu idara kateko murindi.
I'm going to be a very good listener to the people I'm going to be representing. I'm going to listen to them.
Mbarara, remember, is a very new city, and it needs some careful handling. We have a lot of challenges, including poverty, unemployment, poor planning.
Ebirungi byone bimbakorire nanye munkwase ngaruka nyongero kubahereza ahubwo kuba Uganda neza hare Mbarara city neza hare kandi nyoni ntekateka ngo twakwatanisa nituza kujikora amateno boji nko kuturikwenda enshonga nkuru neha nguni nkushaba ndondera karuru ronda karuru ukakume ukeyimerereho
okuhandika barukwenda kwesimba ahabunyishengero no kumanya nchakare
takwenda aha titukwenda abantu bangi muno. We don't want a lot of noise, that's why we're limiting abantu to at least 2 vehicles and 20 people.
Omugandi owabiro minister w'ebyobushubuzi n'ebigombe byo kwegita Harriet Ntabazi no mumba handikwa kwesimba hante by'omyishengero ahabwabwa mba county ogu yaragana so kutungura omutindo hamwe n'ebeye kingwa cya kokoa.
This cocoa from local production, from export of beans to now export of finished good through our factory. So we have issues which we want to do. This position is not for mere people to come in just and make noise. This is a real vote with a reason. Yeah. That's why we call it Karuru Kensonga. Karuru Kensonga!
Abanda bahandikwe rizoba harimo myishengero kazuwa district ya Bundu Bujo kando kwa serebendera NRM Josephine Babunji na Dora Kaparaya owarabe na Ritana nawe hamwe n'abandi.
So it's all jubilations for Bundi Bujo. I have come with a message of freedom and liberation for Bundi Bujo. I just felt that there was a gap in representation of my district when it comes to the slot which I'm aspiring for.
Gasha kwa Senyo Gideon na Jonan Tusingwire.